What was asked about was this tray, right? This tray is the UFO, spelled UFO. The UFO. The UFO is what carries the OG, is what carries the cola, right? The UFO itself represents your ezumezu, right? So, what is your ezumezu? Think about in the ancestral understanding of self, the individual is like a universe, right? You as an individual are a universe, right? So everything that is kept in here are all of the things that you are moving through time and space with. In the same way that the sun is moving and its gravity is carrying all of those little floating parts, or not little like the earth and stuff, right? Your chi is also moving through life and is carrying all these parts, and that whole big picture is everything it takes to make you, right? So when you do the ceremony, there's this part where you're calling the names of your ancestors. You understand? You call the names of all of the elements, you call the names of your ancestors. These are all the things that are in your boat, right? These are all the things that are in your solar system, are all in here. So this represents that ezumezu, right? The ezumezu is the four. It's the term ezumezu refers to the four-faced you, the you with four faces, right? The you with four faces, the you with that is all seeing, all knowing, and total and complete. So this represents everything that is in creation with you, that is of you, but floating through creation with you, moving through life with you, right? It is that boat. Let's call it a boat. That all everything that takes to make you, the entire universe that is you is on and riding through life with. So that's what the UFO represents, right?